Hi, it's Fias Taro. So, gawa muna tayo ng maikling reading. Tingnan lang natin kung sino ba yung nag-i-stalk or ini-stalk ka ba ni X. Okay, yun na lang. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? And tingnan natin kung bakit. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, no? And sa mga nagtatanong at interested sa ating mga items, yeah, they're all available. And si Granter lang po yung made to order. Okay? So, there. So, ang tawag dyan, protection from evil eye, love bracelet, yan, si Granter, and yung ating, ang tawag dyan, cord cutting. Okay, and yeah, don't forget to follow and subscribe yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. So, let's see. Patay tayo dyan. Okay. So, air signs. Unahin natin si Gemini. Okay. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? And Y? Diba? X and Y. Tingnan natin. Gemini. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? Sa mga pwede pong lagay ng tawag dyan, timestamp sa description, sa comment section. Yeah, thank you. Please help me pagdating sa timestamps. So, Gemini. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? Page of Cups Universe. The Page of Wands, yeah. They're watching you. Yes. Why? Some of them, marami silang tanong. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga mutual friends kayo. Excuse me. Pasensya na po ha, may ubo pa rin ako eh. Oo, hindi ako makapagsalita ng maganda, ng dire-diretso. Diba? Ubong-ubo. So, Gemini. Bakit kanya ini-stalk? Anong dahilan? The Hermit Universe. Wala na siyang malaman pagdating sa'yo. It's like you're like a big question mark for them. So, parang meron lang siyang gustong malaman. Yeah, Two of Pentacles Universe. Some of you, tinitingnan niya kung talaga bang dinrap mo na siya talaga. Ang dami niyang iniisip. Yung iba sa kanila, gustong mag-reach out. Hindi malayong talagang manahimik na lang to kung sino man to. May chance na mag-reach out to. Yeah, nasa isip ka nito palagi. Ay, gustong bumalik. Gemini. Yeah. They want to flirt. Some of them. They want flirt. They want to flirt. Flirty messages. Opo. So, yeah. Yung ex mo, kaya kayo ni-stalk kasi gusto niyang may malaman ano bang meron sa'yo. Curious. And some of them gusto makipagbalikan. Opo. So, there. Okay. Next. Next is Libra. Libra. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? Libra. Ini-stalk ka ba ng ex mo? Let's see. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. The Four of Wands. Some of them, they're too focused on their career. Sa bahay nila, some of them may relasyon to. May relasyon na to or trabaho. Parang yun ang mga inatupag ng taong to sa ngayon. Wala akong makitang energy ng pag-stalk. Tingnan natin bakit hindi kayo ni-stalk. O, diba? Busy. Yeah, Page of Wands. May mga bago na sinisimulan. Pwedeng itong taong to is kakapasok lang din sa trabaho, meron siyang bagong trabaho, mga ganong bagay. Mga specific po yun ha, hindi para sa lahat. Yeah. May mga nakakatulong kasi na parang maiwasan niyang mag-stalk sa'yo. May mga nakakatulong sa kanya para maiwasan na mag-isip patungkol sa'yo. Okay? So, there. Pero dati, sa tingin ko, ini-stalk ka. Yeah. Okay? Some of them, they're open na pagdating sa new connection, I think. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita. Yun lang. Excuse me. Aqua. So, Aquarius, let's see. Ini-stalk ka ba ng ex mo? Pasensya na po ha, sa aking boses. Madali ang read lang. So, Aquarius, ini-stalk ka ba ng ex mo? Ay, King of Swords in reverse. Queen of Swords in reverse. I think you're stalking each other. You're stalking each other. You're silent, detached, cold sa isa't isa. Pero yes, you're mirroring each other. You're stalking, watching each other. Why? Let's see. Kung hindi ikaw nag-i-stalk, then, edi hindi. Okay? Pero nanonood ka. Ni-stalk mo yung energy niya. Nakakahiya naman. Tingnan natin. Opo ha. Papaalala ko lagi yun sa inyo. Ang pag-i-stalk ay hindi lang lagi sa online. Hindi lang lagi sa FB. Okay po ha. Ang pagtatanong kung kani-kanino, dyan ang pag-i-stalk. Mutual friends nyo. So, bakit kanya ini-stalk? The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. The Knight of Cups. Ginugusto ka pa rin ito. Okay? Ginugusto ka pa rin. The Ace of Swords in reverse. Marami siyang gustong tanong. Marami siyang gustong i-fix sa inyo. Okay? Some of them, feeling niya, you're too pretty. You're too good. You're too handsome. And, ang iniisip ng taong to is baka mamaya meron ng iba. Gusto niyang malaman kung open ka ba for other connections. Like that. Kung open ka na. Feeling niya kasi, yung iba sa inyo, nasa connection ka na. Nasa relasyon. Kaya ganun. Yeah, kaya ini-stalk ka. Yeah, see, the Empress, they see you somebody na pretty, handsome, yeah. Huwag natin tingnan yung gender. Wala naman gender dito sa cards. This is all energies, okay? So, there. So, next, ang ating gagawin lang ngayon ay air sign and fire sign. So, bukas na lang yung sea, water, and earth. Excuse me. Kailangan ko ipahinga yung aking boses. Okay. So, Aries, Leo, and Sag. So, unahin natin si Aries. Fire signs. Fire signs. So, again, ang pag-i-stalk, hindi lang sa FB. Okay, ayoko makakarinig nung, ayoko makakita ng comment ng, binlock ko na po siya, hindi na po niya ako mai-stalk, or hindi ko na po siya mai-stalk kasi naka-block na. You're watching tarot. Gusto mong malaman ang energy ng person, then that's stalking. Okay? That is another way of stalking. Kung meron kayong mutual friends, kinukumusta mo siya sa kanya, or nakikibalita ka about that person, that's another way of stalking. Okay, alis natin sa isip natin na sa FB tayo. FB lang tayo pwedeng mag-stalk. Hello? Okay? So, yeah. So, Aries. Ini-stalk ka ba ni ex mo? Tingnan natin. And why? The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. The Seven of Cups. I think, yeah. They're stalking you. They are stalking you. The Fool. Yeah, they're stalking you. The Nine of Wands. They're hiding, watching you. Nakakaramdam ako ng bitterness from them. So, why are they stalking you? The Knight of Wands. Okay. Some of them, they want to give you, or they want to throw you mixed signals. Yeah. Andito yung parang gusto kong guluhin. I think gumagawa ito ng kung ano man, like pwedeng maliliit lang na signs. They're watching you, or pwedeng yun nga, some of you, pwedeng makikita niya makikita mo sa my day mo, magsisin, yan, mga ganyang bagay. Yes, pwede naman talaga sa FB. Pero hindi lang yun, ha? And, sabihin nating makakuha ka ng chika mula sa kanila. Makakakuha ka ng chika about them. Okay, about them, na para silang kumikilala ng iba. Parang ganon. Okay? I don't know. Gagawa ito ng way. Gagawa siya ng way papunta sa'yo. Pero ang way na to is panggugulo eh. Gusto lang nitong manggulo, Aries. Yeah, the High Priestess. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Gusto lang itong magulo ka. Kasi some of you, they see somebody who is so focused on your career, business, if ever, and you're like doing fine without them. Gusto ka nitong guluhin. Yun lang, nakikita ko. Next. Leo. Leo placements. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? Ini-stalk ka ba ng ex mo, Leo? Let's see. Ini-stalk ka ba ni ex mo? The Five of Swords in reverse. The King of Wands in reverse. Low-key. Low-key. Pakunyari, hindi ka ini-stalk. Pakunyari, wala siyang pakialam sa'yo. Pero yes, meron. Naghihintay ito. Oo. Pareho kayo. You're mirroring each other. Pareho kayo naghihintay. And this is mind games. Mind games. Head games. Waiting game. Mirroring each other. Okay? Some of you, Leo, itong taong to, pakunyaring walang pakialam sa'yo, pero ang laki ng pake. Kaya ito, nag-i-stalk siya. Kaya ito nag-i-stalk lang kasi hindi niya alam kung paano kayo i-approach. Hindi sila ready sa pwede mong sabihin sa kanila, I think. Okay? Pero yeah, they're waiting for you. They're watching you. They want this, the 9 of coins, that's commitments, that's pakikipag-ayos. Okay? Some of you, nagkaroon ng third party dito. Kaya hindi niya alam kung paano kayo i-approach. Or sabihin natin, kaya ini-stalk ka lang nito ngayon is meron pa siyang kakonek. Okay? Meron pa rin siyang kakonek. Kaya hindi niya magawang mag-reach out, maybe. Some of them, yung kakonek nila, hindi na okay. Yung kakonek nila, hindi na okay. Yeah. The moon. Lumalabas ka na sa panaginip ng taong ito. Okay. So, next. Sagittarius placements. Okay. Sag. Ini-stalk ka ba ni X? The Seven of Swords in reverse. The King of Wands in reverse. Yes. Ini-stalk ka niya. Kung ano-anong hinahanap niyan. Kung ano-anong gustong makita, malaman. Why? Anong meron? Some of you, ikaw ang tumalikod dito sa taong to. Excuse me. Three of Swords. They're in pain. Some of them, hindi pa rin nakaka-move on. That is why. Yeah, Judgment Universe. Hindi nito kaya ang separation sa ngayon. Hindi siya makapag-focus. Ikaw lang at ikaw ang nasa isip nito, utak nito. Yeah, the Five of Pentacles Universe. They want you back. They want you near them. Okay? Yeah, they want conversation. They want communication with you. That is why. Ayaw nila ng ganitong magkalayo kayo. Sag. Ayaw nila. Okay? So, there. Some of you, same gender kayo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo. Same gender. So, yun. Ang aking reading for you. Yun lang muna. And then, yeah. Water sign and earth sign tomorrow. I'll try. Okay? So, again, yun ang aking reading for you. Air sign and fire sign. So, yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.